Budgies make great pets. If you are looking for information all about budgies, then Twinkl Pets is here to help. Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Twinkl here, and today we're going to be looking at resources all about budgies. Before buying a budgie, it would be a good idea to read our budgie guide. This resource covers everything you will need to know about owning a budgie, including what they eat, how to keep them groomed, and how often they should go to the vets. There is even a handy checklist for daily care essentials. If you want to learn the correct terminology to describe your budgie, our Parts of the Body of a Budgie display poster is just for you. Knowing this terminology can be really important if you ever need to take your budgie to the vet. You could use our budgie labelling activity to check your progress with learning it. We have lots of fact sheets all about budgies, including budgie habitats, equipment you'll need to look after them, and essential care information. These fact sheets are easy to understand and include lots of top tips for looking after your budgie. Finally, if you are leaving your budgie home alone, then playing our calming budgie music playlist on repeat is the perfect way to keep your feathered friend relaxed. Simply click on the link in the document to play tailored calming music for your budgie. We have even more resources all about budgies if you go to the Twinkl Pets page and search for budgies. If this video and the resources have been helpful, make sure to leave us a comment to let us know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.